y'all, so today we are doing some abstract art. I saw this video a while back that Tierra Walker did, and she did this big abstract painting, and I thought it was so cute, and I said, look, I have to try that. I have to try it. So I'm going to be using this Drydex Spackling, and it's like pink. See that? It's very pretty. I think people use it for like construction work or something. I don't know what this stuff is used for, but I've seen people use it on their paintings. So we are going to try it today. I got that, and I got spatulas that I'm going to be using to spread it out. So yeah, I'm just going to be freehanding it. I'm just going to be doing whatever, you know, abstract. It ain't got to be perfect. Just do what you like. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get started. All right, so I'm going to sit that right there. All right, I think I want to oh, it's really soft. Okay, so let's just start spreading it. Ooh, look how cute that is. Now it's going to be pink until it dries. That'll let you know when it's dry, when it starts turning a different color. This stuff is fun, y'all. I'm getting a little out of hand with it, but it's very therapeutic. All right, this is how this one is looking right now. I'm gonna let this dry, but I have another canvas that I'm gonna use as well to do the exact same thing. Not the exact same design, but I'm gonna do the spackling on that one as well. All right, so be right back. right, so that's what we got so far with that one. Let's check on the other one. See how it's turning white now? It's drying. All right, so now that we got those two drying, I have inspiration for my next one. And yes, I'm doing a third one right now because I'm obsessed. All right, so this is my inspiration. My little cactus. All right, let's see how this goes. I don't know, this look like some Ninja Turtles. I don't know about no cactus. I can see the inspiration though. All right, we're gonna stop right there. Cause girl, look, I done use this whole thing. I don't know, I'm gonna give me some more because I'm having fun with this. All right, so I'm gonna let these dry and then I might paint them just depending on how they look. If not, I'm gonna just leave them how they are if they look good without the paint. All right, y'all, and this is the final look. I really like them. It looks like they have a little bit more drying to do, but I just love them. So I'm going to keep them this color. It looks like they're turning like a cream or like a off-white color. So yeah, we're just going to keep them like this, and I just need to find somewhere to hang them up. So let me know in the comments where you think I should hang them up at. Should I keep them together as like a 3-piece or make them separate? Like, what should I do? But yeah, that is it. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and being creative with me for the day. I will see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.